We made it to Florence. We just got out of the train station and we're walking to the Uffizi and to the Duomo. So it's pretty crowded here today, but and it's raining, but we're still gonna have fun, right?
Yeah.
So I think the first thing we're gonna do once we get our bearings, we're gonna stop and get some cappuccino. So, oh, here we go. Here's some signs. Duomo. We almost got ran over already once. You ready? Let's just go. Duomo. Straight ahead. Just turn the corner and you can see the Duomo in the distance. See if you can make it out. There's a ton of churches and stuff over here. So there it is, the Duomo. You can hear the police car too. Okay, now we're in the area. Oh yeah, there's the movie theater. We used to go to a movie theater right there. In an English movie theater. Do you remember? I think we saw Star Wars over there. Yep, here's the famous shot. What's the name of this again? This is called the... No, this piece. There's a separate piece where they do like... yeah, the baptistry. They do like... I think all the... What would we call it? Catechismo. Catechismo in here. Wow. Duomo almost looks fake. It's so nice. You know? As you can see, it's pretty wet out. So all these people are in line for the Duomo. We're not going to do the Duomo. We've done it before. Our main thing today is the Uffizi. So this is kind of just a rest stop. What about in this cafeteria? Okay, so we just ordered some food and we're sitting right, that's the Duomo right there. Right through that window. So, just having a little snack before the Uffizi. You excited?
Yes.
Good. Okay, so we just had a nice lunch or some snacks. How do you say it again? Scontrini. Scontrini. Scontino. Scontino. Cazzo. You say cazzo, like that. Anyway, so now we're gonna walk to the Uffizi. So it's about a 10-minute walk from the Duomo. All these people are waiting in line to go inside. I think we've eaten over here before too. Are you back there? I think after the Uffizi we should come back through here. Oh, there's the military. Always the sound of the police. Wow, that's really nice. There you go. Look at the Duomo right there. Dang. Here's another angle of the Duomo. You can see how high that tower goes. Jeez. I have not been up there before. Have you been up there? No?
Crazy.
Also the Ponte Vecchio is over here too. If we have time before, we'll go to the Ponte Vecchio.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we can go to the Ponte Vecchio after. Okay, we're coming upon Piazza della Signoria. It's one of the most famous squares in Italy. It has the fake David and this van right here. Love it. So you can see it has like the fountains of, might be in Neptune or someone, but that's the fake David, or the replica of the David. The tower. Palazzo Gucci. Wow. The sun came out too, huh? That's cool. Water fountains. Okay, okay. So here's the replica of the David right here. I think the original is still in that Academia. I'm not going to go there today. It's kind of hard to do both in one day. Okay, so here's the Uffizi. We already got our tickets. Actually, I made a video already of how to get tickets. I think we're in this child's group here. How do you... So now we gotta find the entrance. Oh. So that might be the entrance, I'm not sure. I know we bought the tickets, we had season tickets that we purchased over here. Okay, so we made it to the Uffizi. We found out we need to go to Ingresso 1, Ingresso 1, entrance 1. We have about 25 minutes wait until our time. So we'll see how long the line takes. We could always get in line and then maybe we're ready by the time, you know? I don't know. We could try it. All they're gonna do is say, no, you can't come in. We're inside the Uffizi, so here's the original floor plans of the Uffizi. Okay, walking up the Uffizi. Is that Putin up there? Doesn't that look like Putin? We're looking down towards, is that Piazza Signoria? So that's probably the David right there. That little guy. Okay, so here's the money shot right here. Here's the money shot. So this is the Ponte Vecchio. So we're standing in the Uffizi, and you can see the Altro Arno on that side, and the Ponte Vecchio.
Quando poi è brutto tempo diventa tosta.
Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, so we're just leaving the Uffizi. It was really nice. It's a lot of walking, so if you're in your 20s like me, it's not so bad.
Yeah.
But
if you're in your 50s like me,
yeah, 50s, 40s.
40s,
I think there's the exit right here. I thought we were done, but it takes us out into the bookstore, right? Oh, will we ever get out of here? Okay, so we made it to the river. And outside so here's the entrance of the Uffizi. There's the Ponte Vecchio. That's where we're hoping to make it. Getting closer. We're gonna buy some big jewelry today. These for sale. Okay, made it to the Ponte Vecchio. A lot of jewelry. That's what it's known for. Huh. Oh, so pretty. How much to jump? So mainly on the bridge, it's pretty much all jewelry, right? I mean, you have a little bit of like stuff there, but it's all rich people stuff up here. Okay, so this is the famous pig in Lucca, to where if you rub it and drop a coin in and it goes in the slot, it means you're going to return to Florence. That's what I believe the thing is, but I'm not sure. Maybe. Okay, so we're at the famous Cingale. It's the famous thing that you rub, and you can see the person stealing their coins when it doesn't go in. I saw this on another YouTube channel where this guy just sits there and waits for the money to go in. Anyway, whatever. What are you buying, Juliana?
Gloves and.
Let me see. Where? Can I see the gloves? Can I see them?
Yeah.
Okay, what did you buy? Some leather gloves? Yeah. Oh, wow. Nice. Quanto costa?
$35. And then I got these for my friends at home.
Oh, cool. What are they?
They're little keychains with the Florence emblem.
Oh, cool. Nice. Italia. Okay, back to the Duomo. I'm trying to get back to Lucca, and it started raining again, unfortunately. So we've got a hike ahead of us to either get to the train or to the bus. So let's find out. Juliana lost our train tickets, and I don't know what's gonna happen. So we're almost to the train station. I see it ahead. Hopefully we can figure out a way to get on the bus that she lost the tickets for. Let's see. We'll see what happens. Hopefully we don't get a ticket. So thanks for watching, and if you like it, please subscribe. Ciao.